Massive growth of waste tires and batteries are now considered to be critical issues of environment. So the technology of waste recycling is drawing public attention. Shredding solution is the key that makes efficient recycling, especially to meet the particle size demand. Then why so important to get right particle size? Recycling of this kind is to get regenerative extrusion from shredded scraps. By heating and melting or other chemical physical process, the particle size is crucial in the process to decide production rate. Shredding into smaller particles gives more choices of shaping, durability, and functions. As smaller as the scraps that shredder makes, less cabbage volume it would get, which means easier to transport, store, and process. Sensitive informations inside the books, documents, or even hard disk and PC would become unrestorable after shattering it into fine particles. Especially in Europe, there is a security protocol called GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. It is a regulation that the shredding itself is not enough, but it is to be done into the particle size specified in the country. So it became crucial to adjust particle size of the outcome to decide security value of the shredding solution. GANAECOTECH makes shredders out of meticulous and strict plan and design, perfect match and calculation of every variable such as blade thickness, angle of scraper and ring size, and such. For the safe and sound environment today, GANAECOTECH provides sustainable shredding solutions, and for the smart and advanced solutions tomorrow, we will blaze the trail to the upcoming challenges for the Earth and future generation by restless effort in R&D.